Yorùbá wa.
Greetings in Yoruba. Ikini Yoruba. Hi there, welcome to our fun world of learning. Today we are going to learn all about greetings. Ikini. When we wake up in the morning, we say Ẹ káàárọ̀, good morning. Repeat after me. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Good job. When leaving for school, we say goodbye. Ó dàbọ̀. Ó dàbọ̀. Repeat after me. Ó dàbọ̀. Great job. Ó dàbọ̀, mommy. Goodbye, money. When we see our friends at school, we say good morning. Káàárọ̀. How are you? Báwo ni. How are you? Báwo ni. Repeat after me. Báwo ni. That's good. When you meet an adult in the afternoon, you say Ẹ káàsán, good afternoon. Ẹ káàsán, good afternoon. Can you guess how we greet in the evening when the sun has gone down? We say Ẹ káalẹ́, good evening. Ẹ káalẹ́, good evening. That's great. You are doing an awesome job.
And when it's time to sleep, we say Ó dàárọ̀, good night. Ó dàárọ̀. Can you repeat that? Ó dàárọ̀.
Now you know all about greetings. Let's practice saying them every day to our friends, family, and even new people we meet. Let's say goodbye together. Ó dàbọ̀. Did you enjoy today's video? Please subscribe and like and leave a comment below.